Hello to everybody. Me and my Twingo, my personal car, we are now heading towards the top of the mountain Nikica, where maybe yesterday or 2 days ago the snow has fallen, and I just want to see the landscapes under the snow and maybe take some photos and record this video. But the real purpose of recording this video is that I wish for 5 years already I wish to go to Morocco and something inside of me wants to go there, and this time I'm planning to do it with my Twingo, and that's a big project because it's quite easy to fly with a jet, with the airplane, but I wish that my Twingo is my aeroplane. This video is recording for the purpose of fundraising, because I don't have enough of funds to go all the way with my Twingo to Morocco and back, of course, and I need your help. The plan is to go from my hometown, which is Opatija, Croatia, all the way to the south of Morocco. Towns, I'm planning to drive not more than 350 kilometers per day, and I plan to stop in all the bigger cities, for example Venice, Bologna, Genova, Monaco, Marseille, Bordeaux, Montpellier, Barcelona, Malaga, then in Morocco, where I plan to be for the longest period, something like 55 days. I plan to visit Tangier, Casablanca, Fez, Rabat, Marrakesh. Then I go back to Europe, and then I'm planning to go to, I think, Cadiz, then Lagos, then Lisboa, then back to Spain to Madrid, Zaragoza, and then in France, Bordeaux now, not before Bordeaux, and then Paris, then Brussels, Amsterdam, Hanover in Germany, Berlin, Prague, Vienna, Ljubljana, and back home. I think that's it. Altogether I planned it to last for around 4.5 months, and during this period I will be making a lot of photography, recording videos, and writing about everything which goes to my mind and what happens around me in the outside world. And of course, as I am mostly interested in cultural and natural heritage of all these countries and cities. I will try to get connected with the people in each of the cities who are very active in the social life and who care about the nature in general. And I will be exploring all the customs and traditions wherever I go, and maybe even try to involve in all these activities, for example, like concerts, like exhibitions, like performances, like street art, and if I come somewhere where there's some kind of fruit or mushroom season at that moment, I will surely go there and pick and make photography and videos. And I don't really like to be just another tourist on this voyage. I really want to be. It's not only just a voyage. It's life. It's my life. So, but I surely need your help. I've calculated that I will pass something like 10,000, little bit more than 10,000 kilometers, and and I also calculated that I will need something like little bit above 10,000 euros for this voyage. So I really indeed need your help if I want to manage to do this. And if you think that I deserve this money, and if you think that I deserve to go on this voyage of a lifetime, and if you have some spare money that you don't really need, and you would like to get some of my jewelry or any kind of other kind of pieces of arts, like maybe I can send you some of my art photography, black and white art photography, and surely you will be getting all the infos from the road trip. Any donations will be is welcome and will be very much appreciated. So thank you for watching and listening, and see you